Hi friends, welcome to our Tax TV channel. Made cash payment in hospitals or banquet halls? Income Tax Department may target you for evasion. With an eye on detecting cash transactions and possible tax evasion, the Income Tax Department has reportedly set its sights on hospitals, as several are not collecting PAN from patients, banquet halls and certain professionals or businesses. As per Income Tax Department, certain cash transactions can land you in trouble. For example, accepting 20,000 rupees or more in cash for a loan or deposit is prohibited. Also, a person is also not allowed to receive an amount of 2 lakh rupees or more in cash in aggregate from another person in a day or in a single transaction or in relation to transactions pertaining to a single event or occasion. It was only for a brief period in April-May 2021 that the government had allowed cash transactions of more than 2 lakh rupees amid high number of COVID cases.
In case of hospitals, officials said that there are several instances of PAN not being collected, despite the law mandating it. While the department is pushing for it and is also planning action against errant hospitals, it is using the data available with health service providers to track patients who had paid large sums in private healthcare facilities. On their part, hospitals have argued that it is not always possible to collect the PAN as patients often come to the emergency section. Similarly, action has been taken against some of the banquet halls in recent months, although the transactions are always not reflected in their books. In certain segments, such as high-end watches, the tax department has found that transactions are above board, with the retailers maintaining a detailed list of buyers and their details, as per report.
Officials also reportedly said that certain professionals are under the lens and wherever there is concrete evidence, the tax authorities are moving against them. For instance, there have been some actions against certain architects in recent months, they said, adding that it was not as if all professionals were being investigated. As per Income Tax Department, professionals and businesses can't make cash payments of 10,000 rupees in a day. The tax department believes that it has detailed data available, which it is tapping into. For instance, the annual information statement is throwing up a large volume of information, which is being processed, and wherever the data is not being reflected in returns, the same is being analyzed. For the current financial year, there is a special emphasis on cash transactions and several businesses where transactions are still taking place in cash and are under the scanner, as per report.
Please subscribe.